This used to be an old factory building. The designed load-bearing capacity does not match the current need to increase the machine's load-bearing capacity. At present, there are 4 floors that need reinforcement, including the basement and 3 above-ground floors. And the main reinforcement is the beams, columns, and slabs. The reinforcement of the beam, with carbon fiber and steel plate together, consists of about 350 pieces in total. The columns are 400 pieces. Large equipment is placed to the south, so this area of reinforcement here is quite concentrated. All the equipment's load-bearing capacity is basically in this area. For large-scale equipment, it is relatively heavy and requires a relatively large load-bearing capacity. The carbon fiber and carbon fiber adhesive used in this project are all from horse. Also steel plate bonding adhesive. Well, we have been using horses adhesive and carbon fiber for over a decade, and they are quite user-friendly. We have used other brands before, but we haven't changed since using horse. The quality of horse's products is not achieved through boasting, but through the use of our projects one by one. Hope to continue working with horse construction.